The current STEM education is no longer sufficient to meet the increasing demand of the 21st century manpower needs. SUTD nurture future-ready graduates, pioneers who go and find new areas for Singapore.
The linkage between science, technology, public research, innovative enterprises that actually compete on a global scale is a very critical element. As engineers, every problem seems like a problem you want to solve, but a substantial number of them has no economic value. So here, the critical thing, you have to identify what is the problem that constitutes significant value from the customer standpoint.
I think smart cities, we're going to see, they grow to about 1.4 billion in 2020. And the key thing is about half of that growth is going to come from Asia. Today, it's getting harder and harder to get a return on the investments. And so that's why we're working very hard with partners to go forward.
Well, it was a real privilege to participate in the panel. And I thought what was interesting about this panel, discussing the topic of innovation, was that we had representatives from so many different industries present. And yet we could find certain common threads in how innovation is approached, and also learn from the diversity of experiences.
Well, as far as showing the audience how we've shown success at actually collaborating with universities, helping bring commercial and university thinking together to solve problems for society, especially around semiconductors.
That the forum was extremely thought-provoking. There was a rich diversity of insights of people from all kinds of different sectors that clearly intersects very richly with technology and society. They provided a lot of food for thought and certainly helps to set the agenda for what needs to be done both for research as well as for industry innovation.